Welcome to eBits. E-switch offers a wide variety of rocker switches coming in different shapes, sizes, colors, and custom symbols. In this video, we'll introduce to you one of our most popular switches, the WB2. Before we get started, if you are new to the channel, please take a second to subscribe. We will bring you new switch information every month. The WB2 series high-amp rocker switch has panel cutout of 22mm by 30mm with maintained and momentary ratings of 20 amps. This switch offers ingress protection rating of IP55 for its internal dust and water protection seal. The WB2 series also comes with multiple graphic and circuit options. Common applications for the WB2 series rocker switch include commercial appliances, industrial controls, floor care appliances, instrumentation, medical devices, and electrical housewares. For more information on the WB2 series rocker switch or any of our other switches, please visit our website at E-switche.com. Thanks for watching.